What's going on, everyone? So today I have Hunter Soroy on the channel, and today is December 1st. And what that means is we got one final month left in the calendar year of 2023. And that means we need to close the year out with a lot of sales and ending revenue as big as possible. So Hunter, just real quick, tell us about your agency real quick.
Yep. Yeah. Former agency was in Cairo. We scaled that to almost 250 a month and then sold it. And then I just got into contractors. So we're doing remodeling bathrooms and kitchens, and we'll probably get some other sub niches. But right now, that's the clients we're going after is bathroom and kitchen remodeling. We're at I didn't even tell you, I closed at 13.5K for 6 months. So that's literally it. We're at 14K, but it's not monthly recurring. So we're still figuring out offer, but it's definitely cash flow for now.
100%. Well, definitely what we've realized, obviously, Hunter's been in the game for a long time. So have I. I'm finishing year 6. And what we've noticed historically is that during the holidays, November, December, especially in the local lead gen space, local businesses, a lot of people are slow to make decisions. They want to wait to market until January. There's just a lot of delays, and it can really wreak havoc on your monthly sales finishing out the year. So one question I have for you, Hunter, is what are you currently doing to win revenue and sales in a time when clients want to wait?
Yeah. So real quick, just to break any limiting belief, December was my best month ever at Cairo Queens, my old agency. We closed 33 clients. And the way we did it was you have to always give people a reason. November was even good. It was 20, I don't know, something. I don't want to, 20-something clients. So you have to give them a reason to not drag their feet. And I'm going to touch on 2 things. So one is clients that you don't have yet, and then getting clients from clients you already have. So I know a lot of people don't have clients, so I'll touch on that one second. But the first one, all of my ad creatives, when I'm running ads, they have Christmas music. They have special offers about Christmas. I'll even drop some ads in the link in the bio if people want to literally see my ads, but it's Merry Christmas, you filthy animals, very Christmassy stuff. We did $1,000 off as an offer, and that drove in a ton of people. And then I even changed the workflows inside of Go High Level to be make sure you show for your appointment because this offer goes really quick. So I'm putting a bunch of real scarcity behind an offer, and the congruency is there. So it's on the ad, it's on the landing page, it's on the workflows and the texts. And we noticed that the show rate even tends to drop in December. So I'm just constantly giving people reasons to show and then actually sign up. Because even if people don't want to they don't want to get started in December, that's cool, but you still got to sign up in December so that we can get started in January so that they can take advantage of the offer. So I'm giving people special offers, and in everything I do in the creative side, whether it's short form content or paid ads, or even cold outbound, I'm referencing Christmas offers, which is $1,000 off. Then the other one that we ran to get the 33 clients, we must have had 40 something clients at the time. And to get the 33, we ran a huge raffle. So this was all of our current clients. So dude, you can even do this. We emailed every single client and we said, for every name you give us, you get a name in the hat. And there's a $3,000 first prize. Second prize is $1,000. And then third prize, we did a PlayStation 5 or an Xbox when they first came out. So, dude, we got 60 referrals, and we ended up closing 14 or 15 people just off of that raffle. So to pay $3K to somebody, that was super easy. And we did it so fun. We had all of our clients join a Facebook Live. I dressed up in a Grinch costume and spun the wheel. And it was great. And then we also said, if one of your names closes, then it turns into 3 names in the hat. So get creative on the raffles from the clients that you already have. Get more referrals. Give them a reason to do it and have fun. And then for all the other ways, put a real offer, put real scarcity, and just make everything Christmas themed. But that's how I did it. I'd be curious to hear how you did it.
I mean, that's super outside the box thinking. I've always noticed Hunter always being super creative, not only from the ads and knowing how to be seasonal with his type of creative, but I mean, this referral strategy, I've never even heard of anything like that. And so that's absolutely crazy. This is 2 massive gold nuggets for you guys. In terms of our end, man, we were so, like, during the end of the year, we were so focused on other parts of the agency until I realized that, like, halfway through November, our sales were down. Like, we had five closes until November 15th, and I was like, holy cow, we got to do something about this. So what we decided to do was we simply gave them a no-brainer offer if they signed up with us and launched in the month of November. And so basically what that was is their first month was basically for $1,000, which is giving them $2,200 off month one. And so we went from 5 closes November 15th to ending the month with 18 conversions. And so the big reason why I wanted to give an offer to get people to start in November, not January, is because I know all that revenue is going to roll into December as higher MRR at our full price point. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, that's huge. I didn't even think of that, because you get them in, but it's a no-brainer to start it live, and then the MRR kicks in next month. Shit, I missed that, and that's a gold nugget too.
Yeah, it's a no-brainer, but the offer is you go live in November, so then all that rolls into December as full price point. Pumping us up to end the year strong. So now I am going to take your advice with redoing some creatives, making them more holiday themed. Probably shoot just some more in general. It's always important, guys, to come out with new creatives, get in the habit of, making one to two new creatives every single week. I know I haven't been doing that, but that's definitely what I need to be doing. So sweet, man. Do you have any other anything else? Any other strategy? Any other golden nuggets you want to share with the audience?
For the December months, I think it's just really a mindset. Like, for 10 months out of the year, you're just being like showcasing your company, your results, like your reputation. And then for the 2 months of the year, if you can go into the mindset that like you are at battle, like you're against the force for November and December, and just accept that, sales might be down, but it's like just a relentless effort to change things and get in front of people in a creative way. You can still win. So I just wanted to drop that, like, December was one of my best months ever, because we went hard to overcome it. But yeah,
that's an absolute fact. Like, you have to look at it like you're going into war, and that's literally how I feel. Like, once you realize, oh shit, things are slower, then you start realizing we got to come up with a solution to fix this, because the last thing you want to do is just do nothing and just get crushed. Not only by low sales, but then churn. If your churn is higher during these times of year, you're going to dip pretty far down in MRR, and obviously we always want to avoid that. My last tidbit for you guys, this is the same exact strategy we think about in terms of our clients and fulfillment. Like, if you guys are having a hard time turning a lot of leads into appointments, the contact rate is very low during this time of year, people don't want to take action. How are you turning your clients' ads into a message that's wrapping taking action now and scarcity around the holidays? And so just like you guys would do to acquire new clients in your market, how are you helping your clients do the same exact thing in their markets to get better results so you can keep clients through this tougher time? So
yeah, I feel like the B2B is exactly the same as the B2C. Like, you'll even notice client results dip, and I have a bunch of people in my DMs saying, like, how do you get past it? It's actually literally the same thing. So even if you can take your clients' creatives and put Christmas stuff around it, like little overlays and like lights and stuff and Christmas music and special offers, but it's only in December, you can still have your clients win too. So it's not just about you winning. Like, you actually want the clients to stick on so they can get higher MRR, which is also, when you think about it, when you're selling people, a nice USP, like a unique selling point that, like, hey, these other agencies don't give a crap about you. We're going to make Christmas offers. It's going to be the same offer, but we're going to have Christmas stuff all around it, so we'll still win in Q4. It's the same exact thing as B2B, as getting new clients, as getting your clients customers.
We just, bringing this up, we had a great conversation with a client, and he was basically just letting us know that, like, what he values so much is the fact that we're already seeding a vision into the new months. And so if we already tell him historically November and December is a lot tougher to produce appointments because of just people lagging, this is what we're going to do to battle it. And so what they value is, even though the months might be lower in performance, the fact that we are offensive and taking action and not just sitting on our hands is worth the world to super good clients. So just know that for a fact. And that's just how you build, that's just how you're going to reduce churn as much as possible too.
Yeah, and the last thing I'll say on closing new clients for your agency in this time, I forget what Mr. Hermosi calls it, but it's like the exact reason they don't want to do it is the exact reason why they should do it. So you need to sell your prospects on a superior way of thinking, basically meaning if they're on the sales call with you, which they're here for a reason, and then they drop some limiting belief like, well, this time of year is slow, I don't want to get started right now, and be like, why have you just accepted that? Why have you just accepted that 2 months out of the year you're not going to make money? That's terrible. That's like almost a third of the year or a fourth of the year you're just not going to make money. So if you can win now, imagine how big you're going to win the rest of the year. So you need to figure this out now in November and December and not accept that just 2 months out of the year you're not going to make money. So, and then if you can meet them halfway by giving them an amazing offer, you can teach them a superior way of thinking, get them on now, have the MRR come in December and January, and everybody can win.
100%. Well, good stuff. Guys, take this information, implement it, and then I'm going to tag Hunter's YouTube. He's going to start posting a lot of content. Trust me. Yeah, guys, like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.